What's up? We're going to continue chirping eighth notes. This time, we'll focus on quarter notes, eighth notes, and eighth rests. If you don't know how to count music, or if you're unfamiliar with these terms, check out our Baby Scratch series and get yourself caught up. That series covers the basics on how to count music. You can find a link to the sheet music and everything else mentioned in this video in the description below. Okay, let's get started. The tempo is at 85 beats per minute. Here we go. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play that one more time. We want to make sure that we don't play on the eighth rest at the beginning of the second measure. This time, let's also focus on counting out loud. We want to count out loud so that we're right on beat. Let's count it off. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move on to the next rhythm and continue to concentrate on our counting. Try to focus on the count to the best of your ability. We aren't just counting, we're also trying to develop the ability to concentrate. Okay, let's dive into rhythm 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move on to the third rhythm and continue to work on our concentration. We want to get better at focusing. Part of good practicing is developing the ability to concentrate. We want to play accurately, so we have to really focus on it. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to move on to the fourth and final rhythm. We're going to continue to work on our concentration while we count out loud. If you focus on the count, you should have an easier time progressing and getting better. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you have it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to take your game to the next level, be sure to check out our premium content, as well as our book, Scratching Made Easy, Turntable Method Book 1, A Guide to Scratching. Our Made Easy method is structured and it takes all the mystery out of scratching. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. See you next video.